want to ask you a little bit about India and about the energy sector in India in particular. India continues to purchase Russian oil, of course. That's a fact. And it's also a fact that actors like Russia and Iran leverage their energy exports in order to constrain our allies' freedom to maneuver and to fuel regional destabilization. That's not ideal, to put it very mildly. The best way to reduce that kind of vulnerability is for the U.S. energy exports to dominate the international market. We want to be sufficient at home. We want to be exporting in significant quantities, enough so that we can exert a significant degree of dominance there. So as trade talks reopen, how do you see U.S. energy exports as being part of the conversation? And what are some of the things you think you could do as ambassador to try to facilitate those conversations?
Senator, thank you for your question. I think it is vitally important that we do have reciprocal open trade and fair trade, frankly. For far too long, it has been one-sided all over the world. And it took President Trump coming in there and saying, you know what, this has been working one way, but not the other way. We currently have a $45 billion deficit with our trading partners in India. And so we will make it a top priority, as I had mentioned earlier, on LNG, on petroleum products, and we will endeavor to make sure that we have access to those markets.